Have you ever wondered why, even after studying English for months or even years, you still forget new words after just 1 or 2 days? You learn a word today, you feel confident, but when you try to use it in a real conversation, your mind goes blank. You can't remember it, and then you start thinking, maybe I'm just not good at learning languages. But that's not true. You're not bad at learning English. You just don't have the right system yet. And today, I'll help you fix that. Hello, my friend. This is Maurice, and you're listening to Unlocked English Fluency, a podcast made specially for English learners who want to speak confidently, learn faster, and feel proud when they communicate. In today's episode, we'll talk about a simple but powerful habit: how to learn 10 new English words every day. Yes, 10 new words every day. It sounds big, but trust me, once you know the right way, it's easier than you think. Now, before we begin, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. This is your time, your English time. Imagine this episode like a calm conversation with a friend who truly understands your struggle, your dream to speak English clearly, naturally, and confidently. So let's start with a simple question. Why do we forget words so easily? The answer is simple. We try to memorize, not connect. When you just repeat a word again and again, your brain gets tired. But when you connect that word with meaning, emotion, or a picture, your brain remembers it naturally. Let's say you learn the word excited. If you just repeat excited, 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 you'll forget it. But if you say, I feel excited when I travel, or I was excited to meet my favorite singer, your brain feels it. It understands it. You're not just learning the word, you're living it. That's how words become part of you. So here's the first step to learning 10 new English words every day. Step 1. Choose your words wisely. Don't pick random, difficult, or rare words. Choose words that you actually hear, see, or need in your daily life. For example, if you watch English videos about travel, pick travel words like ticket, journey, explore, destination, adventure, because you'll use them again soon. When words connect with your real life, they stay. Step 2. Learn with feeling, not pressure. If you study English like it's a hard subject, your brain gets bored. But if you feel curious and calm, your brain opens up. So when you learn a new word, imagine a story or memory with that word. Say it out loud with emotion. For example, the word proud. Don't just say proud. Say it like, I feel proud of myself when I speak English confidently. Feel it. That emotion helps you remember. Step 3. Use simple repetition with rhythm. After learning new words, repeat them 3 times during the day. Once in the morning, once in the afternoon, once before you sleep. But don't just look at them. Use them. Make short sentences. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. That's how the words move from short-term memory to long-term memory. Step 5. Connect old and new words. This is a secret technique that most learners never use. Let's say yesterday you learned happy. Today you learn excited. Try to make one sentence that includes both. I'm happy and excited to start my new job. When you connect words, you build your English tree, where every word grows from another. Step 5. Review, not just learn. Learning 10 new words is great, but reviewing is what makes them stick. Spend just 10 minutes each evening reviewing the words you learned yesterday. You'll be surprised how quickly your vocabulary grows when you give your memory a little love every day. And now, let's talk about a mindset shift, something that will change how you feel about learning words forever. Stop saying, I have to learn English. Start saying, I get to learn English. You're not forcing yourself to study, you're giving yourself a gift. The gift of communication, confidence, and connection. When you learn new words, you open doors. Every word you learn helps you express a thought, an emotion, or a dream. It's not just vocabulary, it's power. So next time you feel lazy or tired, just remember, 10 words today means a more confident you tomorrow. Now, let me give you a small daily plan you can follow. Morning, learn 5 new words. Write each one with a simple sentence. Afternoon, use 2 or 3 of them while speaking or writing something small, maybe a social media caption or journal entry. Night, review all 10 words. Make one mini story using them all together. That's it. It takes less than 30 minutes a day, but in 1 month, you'll know 300 new words. And not just know them, you'll remember them. And remember this, English learning is not about speed, it's about consistency. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to show up every day. Even 5 minutes of real practice is better than 1 hour of stress. If you're enjoying this calm journey, don't forget to support our podcast. Take a second to subscribe to Unlocked English Fluency so you never miss our next episode. And if you're watching on YouTube, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and ring the bell icon. It really helps this channel grow and helps more learners like you find this content. Now let's talk about one of the most effective techniques to make words stay in your brain: active usage. Every time you learn a new word, don't just keep it in your notebook, speak it. Use it in real life, even if it's just to yourself. For example, if you learn the word grateful, say out loud, "I'm grateful for this beautiful day." You're not only practicing English, you're building confidence in your voice. And yes, mistakes will happen. Sometimes you'll pronounce words wrong. Sometimes you'll forget them. But that's okay. Mistakes mean progress. Remember, every fluent English speaker once forgot words too. The difference is, they kept going. When you learn 10 new words a day, it's not just about vocabulary, it's about building a habit, a small daily action that makes you feel proud. One day you look back and realize that all those small steps made you fluent. Here's something beautiful to think about. Words are like keys. Each word unlocks a new door in your mind. The more words you learn, the more thoughts you can express, the more people you can connect with, and the more confident you become. So, let's make a promise. Starting today, for the next 30 days, you'll learn 10 new English words every single day. Write them, say them, feel them, and live them. And after 30 days, come back to this video and tell me in the comments how your English has improved. And yes, before you go, make sure to subscribe to Unlocked English Fluency for more calm and powerful English learning podcasts. Like this video if it inspired you, and share it with someone who is also trying to improve their English. You never know whose life you might change. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'm Maurice, and I'm proud of you for taking one more step toward English fluency. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, you're not just learning English, you're unlocking a new version of yourself. So now I have a question for you. What are the 10 new English words you will learn today? Write them in the comments section below. I'll be reading them. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing only on Unlocked English Fluency.